Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be analyzing for you guys a cryptocurrency called Litecoin. I've been receiving a lot of messages. People or our clients or our students in our academy would like us to make a video explaining more about the market analysis of Litecoin. Now if you're an investor or a trader or a retail institution, focus on this video till to the end. You will have learned a lot from it. Now without wasting time, hit that like button so many times for this video to be appreciated, plus commenting down in the description what you have learned from this video and subscribing in order for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video like this on market analysis. Now without wasting time, I've already opened my charts of Litecoin. I'm going to start analyzing it. We break down it with you guys such that we see where is the market heading exactly. Now let me start by identifying my major market key levels. That's what we do first, identifying our major market key levels. These major market key levels, they help us to identify where the market is respecting or playing a lot of times. So that means on those particular levels we always have what we call buying pressure if we are on the support level. If we are on a resistance level, that means we will be having selling pressure. Now I've finished, or I'm done identifying my major market key levels. Now when you look at all cryptocurrencies at the moment, they're in a deep downtrend. There is no any bias of an uptrend. Most of the cryptocurrencies, they are in a deep downtrend. When I look at Litecoin, it dropped. The highest high of Litecoin was, let me try to zoom. Highest high of Litecoin was $412 per coin, but at the moment it dropped all the way from 400, came back, retested the level of $115. It got some support, buyers jumped in, pushed back the price back to 297.98 level. The coin dropped again, now all the way to this level of $60. Now where exactly is the market heading? That is our question, or that is the question many people are trying to inbox or asking us. If I try to zoom out, I can clearly see that Litecoin has been making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Now if you try to cater for this recently made lower high, I can clearly see that Litecoin has been in a deep downtrend. And make it also focus. So we had the flag which pushed Litecoin all the way to the downside. If I try to head to my daily time frame, our daily time frame, what do we see? I'm trying to see what pushed Litecoin to the downside, but you can see we have a lot of continuation patterns. These continuation patterns, they clearly indicate that prices are still dropping to the downside. We are still in a trend of selling opportunities only. If you're looking for buying opportunities, that means you will be always in a loss, because at the moment the market is in a deep downtrend. I'm trying to spot all these patterns this pair has been making all along. Now you can see we always having an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. Now all these patterns I'm trying to spot for you out, they are always sending or putting Litecoin in a downtrend. Now there is no any other bias for Litecoin to be in an uptrend unless it breaking all these levels, changing the trend from the downtrend to the uptrend. And remember, our trend is always changed through the market making higher highs and higher lows. You get it? Now When you reach here at the bottom, you can see we had a strong impulse move. Now the market is in a correction. If I try to get a fall, our support and resistance level, this is our support trend line, and this is our resistance trend line. So for our trend line to be accurate, we must consider 3 to 2 touches for our trend line to be considered. I can see we also have a little bit resistance level. I don't know whether you can see it as well. So this is our resistance level. Now at the moment, Litecoin, we also have a bearish flag. Now all these patterns are pushing these particular coins in a downtrend, whereby if you are an investor and you're looking for opportunity to invest in your money in Litecoin, wait for Litecoin to drop all the way from this level of 60, the level of $60, wait it to drop until the level of $40 for you to invest in your money. I think we are together. Now Litecoin, we are looking to sell it all the way from $60, dropping or taking it back to the level of either $55, because we can see we have our support trend line. Whenever Litecoin drops back to this level, we also experience a lot of buying pressure. But if Litecoin breaks this level, it will drop till down to this level of $40. Now that's all we had for you guys today in this video. If you're an investor or trader or an institution or any other organization or company investing money in Litecoin, at the moment Litecoin is in a bear market. Now focus on locking only, selling opportunities. By the time it reaches the level of $40, you look for buying opportunities. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker Binance, and also comment down in the description what videos you'd like us to make in the nearby future about cryptocurrencies, plus following us on all our social media platforms. All the links will be down in the description. Follow us on our social media platforms. Feel free to send us a message. We shall be getting time and replying all the messages which are being sent by you guys.